Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you are doing good at home. I'm your teacher, Ma'am Homa, and I'm taking English subject, and you are watching lecture number 32. So let's start. Recite dua for learning. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. What you need for today's work: student book, an activity book with a pencil, sharpener and eraser. Student book, page number 45 from unit 4. Sing with me. Objective of the lesson is practice the new language through a song. Okay, now student, unit 4, open page number 45 from student book. Sing with me. And on the top of the page, first write date 16th October. 16th October, 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 comma 2020. Leave little space and write capital H dot capital T stands for home task, and then at the end you will write Friday. 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 Okay, now what you have to do first, you have to read the lines which are given on the book. Look at the book and pictures which are given on the right side. Sorry, on the left side. Many pictures are there. Look at the first picture. I want to go. I-W-A-N-T, want. T-O-2, G-O, go. And on the right side, there are 4 pictures are given. There is a picture of a lake, another picture of an ice cream shop, and then a picture of swimming pool and a slide. Okay, look at the next picture of Benny, and what's written under that picture? Swim. Swim. S-W-I-M, swim. And look at the last picture. What's written there? Splash and shake. Splash. S-P-L-A-S-H. Splash and shake. Shake. S-H-A-K-E. Shake. Now read the statements which are given. Look at the first statement. What's that? I want to go to the swimming pool. I want. W-A-N-T, want. T-O-2, G-O, go. I want to go. T-O-2, T-H-E, the. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, swimming pool. Pool. P-O-O-L, pool. And then what you have to do? You have to match this statement with the picture of swimming pool. Look at the third picture. That's a swimming pool and children, they are swimming. You have to match this first statement with the third picture. Now look at the second sentence. I want. I, W-A-N-T, want. T-O-2, I want to. G-O, go. T-O-2, I want to go to. T-H-E, the. Lake. Lake. L-A-K-E, lake. What you have to do? You have to match this statement to the first picture. That's a picture of a lake. Look at the third line. I want to go to the ice cream shop. I-C-E, ice cream. K-E-M, cream. Ice cream shop. Sh-op, shop. Full stop. You have to match this statement with the second picture. That's a picture of a ice cream shop. Okay. Now look at the last line. I want to go to the water slide. I-W-A-N-T, want, T-O-2, G-O, go, I want to go, T-O-2, T-H-E, the, to the water slide, W-A-T-E-R, water slide, S-L-I-D-E, slide, and match this picture with the last picture, that is a picture of a slide. And on the left side, can you see a space, an empty box given? There you have to draw yourself, or you can draw something else to indicate where they are, where you are.
151. Sing and do.
I want to go to a nice cool lake. I want to swim and splash and shake in a nice cool lake. La 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 la, la 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 la. If you are feeling low, where do you want to go? La 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 la, la 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 la. I want to go to an ice cream shop. I want to eat ice cream. It's so very hot. La 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 la, la 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 la. If you are feeling low, where do you want to go? La 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 la, la 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 la. I want to go on the water slide. I want to get wet and slip and ride on the whizzy water slide. La 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 la, la 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 la. If you are feeling low, where do you want to go? La 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 la, la 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 la.
Now children, unit 4 from student book, open page number 46. Say it with me. On the top of the page, write 16th October 2020. In the middle, you will write capital H dot capital T and then write Friday. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. On this page, what do you see? How many characters are there? There are 3 characters, Benny, Fifi, and Prickly. They are outside in some picnic place. There are some trees, plants, bushes, and there is a swimming pool, and Fifi is there in that small swimming pool. And many things are there, like a bird. There is a bird who is sitting on the swimming pool. There is a frog and a flower, and Benny is bringing an ice cream, and Fifi is holding ice cream, and Fifi is wearing a red hat, and there is an umbrella with an ice cream, and the color of the frog is green. The color of the hat which Fifi is wearing, that is red, and the color of the bird is purple. And flowers, you can see many flowers in this picture. Some of them are yellow, some of them are pink, and some of them are purple. So let's read first the lines which are given in the middle of the page. I am not not. I am not at. I'm not at school. SCHOOL school full stop. I am in the pool. INNTHE the POOL pool. POOL pool full stop. In these lines you will see oo sound words. It's hot today. ITS it's hot TODAY today, comma BUT but I am not not comma but I am not I am cool cool full stop. Now what you have to do on this page, can you see something red? Yes, you are right. The color of the hat is red. You have to color the hat red. Can you see something green? What's that? Yes, the frog is green. Color it green. Can you see something pink? Yes, the umbrella on ice cream is pink. You have to color it pink. I can see something purple. Can you see that? Can you guess what's that? You are right. It's a bird. You have to color the bird purple. And I can see something yellow. A flower is yellow. Please color the flower.
152. Listen and follow. Listen and repeat.
I'm not at school. I'm in the pool. It's hot today, but I'm not. I'm cool.
Now open activity book, page number 38, unit 4. Say it with me. The instructions are given on the pages. Color the pictures with the long oo sound. Full stop and write. All of you first write date on the top of the page. 16th October, 2020. Leave little space and write capital H dot capital T. Then at the end you will write Friday. 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 Now everyone please look down. There is a word bank given on the page and 3 words are there. School with long oo sound. School. SCHOOL school. Now pool. Pool. POOL pool. And the last word is zoo. ZOO zoo. And there are 6 pictures given. Look at the first picture, that is about waves. And the other picture is a piece of cake with a cup of tea. And then elephant, tree, book with a pencil. And then ice cream shop. You have to look at the picture and then write the long oo words under the picture. Like look at the first picture, that is about waves. Where do we see these water waves? In pool. You have to write spelling of pool. Then under the elephant picture you have to write spelling of zoo because we see elephant in zoo. Then you have to write school spelling under the picture of book and a pencil. Then on the left side, look at instructions number 2, read and draw. There are 2 empty boxes are given. Look at the first box. There is a caption written about a red balloon. What you have to do, you have to write, you have to draw a balloon and then you have to color it red. And the other option is given a gray boot. You have to draw a picture of boot and then color it gray. Okay, let's start reading new language word. Look at the first word, zoo. ZOO, zoo. Pool, POOL, pool. School, SCHOOL, school. lake, L-A-K-E, lake. Ice cream, I-C-E, ice. Cream, K-E-M, cream, ice cream. Shop, sh-op, shop. Today, T-O-D-A-Y, today. Cool, K-U-L, cool. Frog, F-R-O-G, frog. Hat, H-A-T, hat. Bird, B-I-R-D, bird. Flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Now student, I hope you like this lesson and you learned many things, many words. You have to repeat these things at home as many times as you can. Till the next lesson, take care, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.